Now we are going to perform initial yoga pose named squat. A squat has a 3 variations. So first we will do squat 1. Mainly doing a squat, initial pose squat. For that, the person who is having a knee injury or perform a spinal injury or have a spinal injury or have a spinal surgery or any type of a post-major surgery like a spinal, knee or ankle surgery should avoid it or may do with the consent of a doctor. So, to do a squat, variation 1, you should have a 3 steps gap and your feet should be outside your mat, should be apart from the mat. Now, your ankles should be straight. Now, inhale and raise your arm up to the shoulder level, and while exhaling, spine straight, bend down, bend your knees and maintain this pose for 30 seconds. Your spine should be straight, your arms should be at the alignment to the shoulder at the parallel level, your knees should be straight, should not be outside your ankle. The knee and ankle should be in the same alignment. The knee should not be outside your toes. Maintain this pose. Now, inhale and straighten your knee, and while exhaling, keep your arms straight and come to Samarth. It's a squat 1, variation 1. Now, to do a squat 2, variation 2. For that, your ankles will be a part of your mat. Now, inhale, raise your arm up in the Namaskar position. You have to bend forward. While exhaling, you have to bend forward and simultaneously you have to bend your knees. Your ears should be hidden, you should not be looked. Maintain this pose for 30 seconds. Your knee and ankle should be in same alignment. Arm should be straight, your spine should be straight. You should be only bending forward. Maintain this pose for 30 seconds. Now inhale, straighten your knees, and while exhaling, keep your stretched arm down and come to Samarth. Now we'll do squat. Squat variation 3, that's called a goddess pose. To do a goddess pose, it should be 2 feet step distance between your ankle. Now, your ankle should be at the 45 degree, heel in the mat and toes outside your mat. Okay? Now, inhale and come to Gyan Mudra. So, your shoulder should be parallel and arms should be parallel to each other. Now, while exhaling, bend down, bend your knees, raise your ankle, raise your heels. Maintain this pose for 30 seconds. Now, inhale and stand up. And while exhaling, keep your arms down and stand straight in Samarth. So, the benefits of the squat, initial pose named squat, is that it will improve the strength of your leg muscle, it will improve the strength of quadriceps, your calf and hamstrings. It will also improve the strength of your gluteus. It will improve the hip joint mobility, it will open up your pelvic area. Mainly the goddess pose, it is a so good pose to improve or to increase the hip joint mobility. It will open up the pelvic area. Goddess pose will open up your pelvic area, and thus the goddess pose is mainly performed during a pregnancy in trimester 2 and 3 for easy labor and easy child delivery. Now, even it is a good balancing pose. It will improve your balance and coordination. The squat will also improve the spinal strength. It will straighten your spine and increase your blood circulation towards your spine and improve your spinal alignment. And thus it will improve your knee joint mobility. It will strengthen your knee muscles. It will stretches your calf and hamstring muscles. Thus, a goddess pose is a very good pose to perform for a balance and coordination.